Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup of your WhatsApp chats on your Redmi Note 15. Okay, so we need to launch our WhatsApp. Once we are here, we need to click on those three dots in the top right corner and now open up the settings. Now we need to find chats, scroll down and click on chat backup. Okay, first we need to select our Google account. Simply tap on it and select the Google account on which you would like to store your backup, because our WhatsApp backup will be stored in the cloud of our Google account. It's basically called Google One, the cloud, of course. So simply select your Google account. If you're not logged into any Google account, you can simply click on Add Account, and then you'll have to sign in into Google account. Now down below we have the automatic backups. As you can see, currently this option is turned off, but we have other modes such as daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I tap backup. So let's say that in my case I would like to use the monthly mode. Now the backup will be automatically made each month and I don't need to do this manually. Pretty convenient and comfortable feature, so if you want you can pick between those modes on the screen. Okay, let's also include the videos in our backup. If you're interested, you can also enable to backup using cellular, it's up to you. And on the bottom, we have end-to-end encrypted backup. It's like an extra security feature. It's not necessary to turn it on, but if you'd like to, in here you'll be able to create a unique password that you'll need to type in the future if you want to restore your chats. But be aware that if you create that password and when you forget it, you won't be able to restore your chats. So simply, if you choose to create it, don't forget it. But just like I'm saying, it's not necessary. Okay, also we need to make sure that we have some free Google storage space. As you can see, in my case, I have a lot. And now click on backup button to start the process. It might take a little bit. Everything depends on how many messages you have. In my case, I don't have many messages, so it won't take long. Basically, it's already finished. We can take a look on the last backup. We can see the hour. So it's like a confirmation that everything went successfully. Down below, we can see the size of our backup. Now, everything is stored in the cloud. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.